Well, good morning everybody. You can see what I'm here to shoot. Although this looks epic with all these reflectiones, this wasn't what I was coming out to shoot. Actually, this morning I was going to go to Berry Head and get the stars before sunrise, do some astro and some sunrise shots. But I just got up too late. 6:30 I left the house, and already that was too bright. Stars were disappearing. So I've stopped at the pool. As you can see, it's lovely and calm, getting some lovely light now. I'm going to try and get a shot along the edge of this pool leading into the sunrise. So let's not mess around. Let's get on with it before the light disappears. Well, this is the shot I'm trying to get at the moment. Just the leading line of the edge of the pool with deep end in front of you, and then the reflections in the pool. I'm trying to get capture that light in the sky. So all I'm doing is I'm at ISO 100 f11, and I'm adjusting my shutter speed so I don't blow out the highlights. I don't know if you can just see the histogram on there. Yeah, 2-second timer so there's no camera shake, and away we go. I might try and lengthen that shutter speed a bit, make sure there's no ripples in the water. So let's just slow it down a bit more. Let's see where the histogram is. Yeah, you can see blown out the highlights a little bit. So I'll bring it back. Yeah, just about there. Just about recover the highlights. Let's try that. You want to see what that looks like? Well, let me show you what I'm trying to get. So I've set the camera at f11, ISO 100. I'm just adjusting the shutter speed so that I don't blow the highlights out. I don't know if you can just see the histogram there, the highlights at the top there. I like to slow it down as much as possible to try and smooth out the reflections, but if I go too far you can see I start to blow the highlights out. So those bright bits in the sky I won't be able to recover. So let's bring it back a bit. There we go, just not clipping those highlights. I've already set the focus. Composition's not too bad. 2-second timer just so I'll get rid of the camera shake. And away we go. See what that looks like. Fantastic. Lovely. Well, I think that's enough from this side of the pool. I'm going to have a walk around and see what else I can get. Well, I think I might call it a morning. It's starting to get a little busier now. Lots of people out on their daily exercise, so time to go home for breakfast. I've walked all the way around the pool, taken a few shots. I was lucky enough to see some dolphins heading out towards Berry Head, and yeah, hopefully I've got some decent photographs. So, as I said, thank you for joining me again. Hopefully I'll see you again next Sunday. Don't forget to give me a like and hit that subscribe button. But for now, cheerio.